Hello folks, a bit low that, isn't it? Anyway, you'll get the gist. Rotel RVC240 in a box. Just needed a retuning test. So 1981 radio, Cybernet 134 upper tier chassis. Now working very well indeed. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
And now I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control on this radio.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which isn't in use.
Roger on that. I enjoyed your goose bit in the last video.
Good. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 159.7, 179 point, or 159.9, or was it 157.9? I wasn't paying attention because I didn't expect it to be open.
Oh, anything is open.
Anyway, it's 150 odd something and 180 odd something.
Well, it's possible that somebody in Canada will kindly tell us.
There's a good chance of that. Alright, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Rotel RVC240 Cybernet upper tier version from 1981 on the Sound replacement line. Doing full 1 out, will do.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems. passing the Kelby turn.
We got you in the Chippie turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
We got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point along the Rotel RVC240 standard replacement line, doing a 4 volt output, drawing 1.2 amps. We're then going to low power. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're on low power. We're ready to put start with the current. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Got all these stupid clear norm switches. I'll just flick it into clear. That should make me tinny. And then we'll go back to normal, and that's back to normal, over.
Yeah, roger that, no problems on full power. I had to override on the squash on low power, but you were legible, and the clear switch makes it tinny, as you say.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Got your loud and clear going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today? That's it, please, over.
Yeah, roger that, 162.9 and 182.7.
Well done, that working up to 3 as expected, thank you very much.
Roger that, 1010.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, roger that, 162.9 and 182.7.
Roger, on that worked an absolute treat as expected, thank you very much.
Roger that,
1010. Okay, you can't argue with that. I mean, when we did this, it came down to probably 0.195 microvolts for 10 decibels, signed that on receive, full 4 watt output. It's not a messed about with set, just needed a service. So there we go, we'll go over to our base station, which of course has exactly the same chassis as this, the Midland 76900.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 for route 1.